Dylan Thompson, Chase Motorsports, Coach and Trailer Sales. It is another gorgeous day in sunny Paducah, Kentucky, and today I'm going to show you a really nice coach. We've got a 2022 model Renegade Verona LE 40 LTS. So this one has the Mid-Bath Floorplan, theater seating, dream dinette that turns into a bed, a small jackknife love seat. Pretty loaded up, full body paint. It's got the 8.9 liter, 360 horsepower Cummins in it with a 6-speed Allison. 3 slides on this coach, 8,000 watt Onan diesel generator. I think it's got around 70 or 71 hours on it. 2022 model, 4,750 miles. So, you know, the first question we get is, why is it so new and traded in? Gentleman that bought it had a change of plans, ended up needing a little more sleeping space, and we had a like new Renegade Classic on our lot, so we done a little trading and got this one. Lots of storage in the belly compartments, 20,000 pound hitch on the back of it. It's got room. We keep the outdoor coolers in stock, so if that's something you wanted, we can definitely put one in for you. It's got the Gerard lateral arm awning on it, as you can see there. Outdoor entertainment system. Automatic hydraulic leveling by our friends at Equalizer Systems. So I've got the build sheet on this coach, pretty optioned up, not really a whole lot you could have added to it. 2022 model Renegade Verona LE 40 LTS on the Freightliner chassis. So quick little spin of the outside. One thing I didn't mention, the coach does have aqua hot. It's got the 450 in it, which is a super nice option. Keyless entry, lots of outdoor lighting. Take you inside. All right, so porcelain tile floor, solid surface countertops. It's got the 2-burner true induction electric cooktop, Samsung microwave convection oven in it. It's got the Samsung LED TV. That's that jackknife love seat I was telling you about, so that guy folds into a small bed. Something the owner, previous owner, did upgrade. It's got Pinnacle seating in it. I don't know if you've ever rode in one of these, but the Pinnacle seating is by far much more comfortable than the factory seating. So Pinnacle seating already installed. Theater seats, both of those do recline, and if a third person's wanting to sit there while traveling, check that out. So little armrest folds down in the middle, got a couple cup holders in it, but can also turn into another little spot for someone to ride. It's got the Dream dinette, booth style dinette in it, so the center leaf of the table drops down. You've got 2 cushions that are included. If you'll check out the photos, we dropped it down there and done a little demonstration. Tiled backsplash. The Verona LE's got a lot of super little trick cool things. As you can see, there's lighting behind the wood. So behind there, all the wood's lit. A lot of custom lighting at nighttime, looks really cool. Samsung, it's got the digital inverter fridge, French door, fridge on top with the pull-out freezer on the bottom. Multiplex digital control system, so you can control everything from the lighting, tank levels, water pump, AC, slide outs, and you can also download the app and look at all this from your phone. So super neat add-on there by Renegade. Makes it easy. If you've got I think you can do iPhone or Android, you can download the app and literally control the whole coach from your phone. This one already has the washer and dryer, and it is a split system, so we got the dryer on top and the washing machine on the bottom, or as we say in Kentucky, the washer. I'm gonna go wash some clothes. All right. As I told you earlier, it's got a mid-bath floor plan, so a little sink vanity area there. And then we spin around, and in this door, it's got sliding pocket doors to separate everything. We've got one of the macerator vacuum flush toilets. It's the new model that Renegade's using. You see a lot of these toilets in boats and yachts, so the vacuum flush system makes it very nice. Shower. I'm 6'3", and I can shower in one of these with lots of room left. So sliding glass doors, as you can see on the front of it there. Open it up to give you a good look. Skylight above the shower. And then we got the master bed. We've got a king-size bed. Lots of nice overhead cabinets above the bed, as you can see there. And then we've got a little wardrobe area with Samsung TV overhead, Sony DVD player, and a lot of nice storage. Dovetail, as you can see on the cabinetry. The Verona LE is definitely built really well, really solid. Nice flooring, nice cabinetry. Just a overall nice fit and finish. So would love to earn your business. As most of you know, you may have seen in our other ads, we offer financing. We've got some great lenders that we work with very competitive rates and terms. We also deliver nationwide, and we accept trade-ins. So we'll do what it takes to earn your business. My name is Dylan Thompson, Chase Motorsports Coach and Trailer Sales. If you have a chance, give us a like and a follow on Facebook. We're also on YouTube and Instagram. So would love to hear from you. If I can help you, please call or text me anytime, 270-556-8461. Thanks for watching.